guys, welcome back to my channel. Win's Life here. For today's video, I am going to make baked chicken with potatoes and mushroom and onions and lots of cheese. You know me with my cheese. And I am also using the diced basil, garlic, and oregano tomatoes. This is already diced. And we are going to use two different kind of cheeses. Actually, there's 4 different kinds on this one right here. And this one is mozzarella and provolone. So we're going to use these cheeses right here. So first thing I am going, and also I have melted butter. So I already seasoned our chicken, and the first thing we are going to do is fry it really quick, like just crispy the both side of the chicken. So let's start doing that on that side. We're going to put olive oil, turn the exhaust, and we are actually not cooking the chicken, guys. We are just going to make sure it is golden brown on both sides. We're going to make the skin crispy. It smells good. I can smell the cumin. I put cumin on this. And then I'm also going to saute the potato there to get all the flavor from the chicken. Then we're going to put the potato. I'm also gonna add half of the onion. To get the flavor added to the potato. Then I'm going to season it. Pepper, salt, chicken bouillon, garlic powder, and onion powder. That's it. We'll turn the heat off. So now, guys, I am going to put some of the tomatoes, so we can put the chicken on top of the tomato so it won't stick to our pan. Then I'm going to put the chicken. This is good to serve, guys, for your holiday season. You know, holiday is coming. This is good to make because of the color of the dish. You can even put bell pepper, green bell pepper to it to make it look, you know, red and green. And Then I'm going to add the mushrooms. My mushroom got colored, ugly color already because I cut it too early. And it's also been in the fridge for a while. It's a good thing I thought of making it, but that's okay. It's still good. And then the onions, lots of onions. I love onions, guys. And then we are going to pour half of the melted butter. And then I'm going to put this kind of cheese, the mozzarella and the provolone. Oh my goodness, look how delicious it looks already. Then I'm going to add the potatoes and the other onions that we sauteed. That smells so good. And then the rest of the diced tomatoes. Look how colorful. Looks so Christmassy. And then the rest of the butter. And then we're going to bake it, and then we're gonna add more cheese. Looks so pretty. Let's bake it until the chicken is tender. I'm going to put the other cheese, guys. So I mixed the two different kind, actually 4 different kind or 6 different kind. And I think it is done, guys. Oh my goodness. Let us turn the oven off. It is gonna be so hot. Look how beautiful it looks. I don't know how to take it out. I'm going to put it on this pan so I can carry it easy. That's the trick, guys. Looks so delicious. Look at that. So beautiful. I don't feel like touching it. Let us see. Where is it? Look at all the juice that came out, guys. That's a lot of juice. I think from the mushroom. Let's put some on our plate. I have my plate ready. Look at the cheese. It is gonna be so hot. Look at all the cheese. Love, love, love. Some potatoes. So we don't need rice, guys, because there is potato. Let's cut it, guys. See if it is cooked inside. Look how perfect. It's cooked all the way. It looks tender. Nice. Let us try the chicken, guys. It smells really good. The chicken is cooked perfectly. And the potatoes, guys, even that I pan fry it, it's actually not mushy. I still have a little crunch actually. I think I'm saving the broth because the broth tastes really good. Maybe I'm going to cook pasta and add it to that. That's really good idea. I'm just gonna saute some chicken and then I will add the pasta to the broth, and then we have another dish, another easy dish that you can cook for this holiday season. But anyways, as usual, I am going to enjoy my dinner now, and I'll see you guys again later. Bye for now.